Now, here's another instance of VVIP racism in Maharashtra, where VVIPs have even taken over temples. In Shirdi, while devotees waited for over 3 hours, the governor of Maharashtra and his family were given special treatment, bypassing the queue at the temple. It's not just that, devotees were not allowed darshan till the governor was out of the temple complex. So that is the latest instance of VVIP racism coming in from the temple town of Shirdi. We are joined by my colleague Kashif on the phone line. Kashif, anybody who's been to Shirdi knows that there is a VVIP lane inside the temple complex, but that was clearly not enough in this case, because we understand that devotees were made to wait for over 3 hours.
Well, Radhika, to understand this, what happened was the governor of Maharashtra, Vijay Sagar Rao, was in Shirdi on Saturday, and not only the devotees were made to stand outside, some of them were even told to leave the temple premises and wait outside until the governor finished his darshan. That was what we understand happened at Shirdi. As you said, there is a separate VIP entrance, there is a separate VIP lane. But despite that, what we understand, the security officials of the governor made sure that the governors, whoever pilgrims or devotees were inside the temple campus, they were told to vacate the entire area, and then the governor was ushered in, and he did his darshan, and for about 3 hours, devotees were standing in the sun.
But Kashif, not just that, right? I mean, there were citizens who voiced their concern over this, who were protesting against this, and they were put in the police van.
Exactly. That's very similar to what happened last night in Mumbai, Radhika. If you were to compare both of the same issues, there was 2 or 3 devotees who raised an issue, raised an alarm and said that this is not done. They have been waiting for hours to get inside and pay their respects to the deity. And in spite of pleading and requesting the police, these devotees were then bundled up by the police and taken to the local police station. So yes, a clear example how the police authority is, that when in VIP is evident, they don't take any action against them, but obviously bundle innocent citizens and take them to police station.